Here we go. We're getting ready to do the stadium course races. Goggle up for this. I'd be lying if I said I didn't have a little bit of butterflies. That's normal, I think. Flag, winner, winner. What? Over here? Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Little goggles on. Oh, let's keep her on all four. Please keep her on all four. All I'm praying. I don't care about win or lose. I just want to keep her on all four.
Carol Francis, baby. That's right. We all it's about to get real. You thought they were fast before. Yes, I'm sorry I cussed. I did not mean to say that, but these guys are crazy. Carol Francis racing the Valley Tire Off-Road Series. I want to say that's... No, that's not fair. But right now, Carol Francis, he's out there rocking number 46. On the other side, we have wonderful action out here. Where else would you want to be? All right, so that was number 20.
Well, shit, I think we lost that one. I'm sure we lost that one. It's fun though. Alright, so we lost the first one. Hell of a fun time. It's double elimination, so we get another go at it yet, boys. Alright, I think we're up.
Stir up as much dust as you can. So your opponent's going to drive through that. And everybody enough coming to the 2024 Dirtfest season closure here at Valley Raceway, hosted by the Maritimes Racing Gallery and your leader right now, number 17, Troy Bennett. I do want to let everybody know I am headed to the Mustard Dobbin. Event number 9 in the 10 race Air Off-Road Racing Series 21 performance. I'd like to see you guys all show up. Support the local tracks because we're a guy and without you, we're doing it for nothing. But your win there going to number 17, Troy Bennett.
Yeah. Good race, man. You had to make her eat that time, bud. Had to make her eat. Oh, it's so fun. This is so intense. Like, it's my favorite kind of racing. You know, it is, absolutely. Yeah, it's fucking awesome.
That's it, you're out. That was 2 laps. Fun though, eh? You were giving her, man. That was pretty good.
Get some video of the guys that beat me. Daryl France is ripping. Not sure this guy's name, but he's ripping. He's cut the streamer and cow. Some action. Daryl's up in the YXZ. He crossed first. 2 laps. Or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is 3 laps. I don't know. Or no, right, Daryl started here. So whoever crosses right now wins. Oh, it's close, baby. Daryl wins. That was a close race, guys. Winner, winner, Daryl Francis. Too little, too late though. Maverick's the winner. Well, everybody's clearing out. That's it for the stadium course races. Big thank you to GAM for helping me make it to the races. They hooked us up with this axle. We wouldn't have made it without them. Well, that's all for this one. See you at the Mud Bogs. Thanks for watching.
They call me a